guys, welcome back to my channel. So hope you all are doing good and are safe at your home. And if you're new to this channel and seeing my face for the very first time, hi, I am Prakriti. And yes, after a long time I'm back with a clothing haul video. And yes, आपको मेरे चेहरे से excitement दिख रही होगी, like I'm so excited for this haul. So yeah, जैसे कि आपने टाइटल से पढ़ लिया होगा, it's a clothing haul from Uniqlo. So Uniqlo is in itself very famous, but for those of you who don't know what Uniqlo is, so Uniqlo basically is a Japanese clothing brand. Like they have products for kids, men, women, girls, everybody. Like whenever I visited Uniqlo store, मेरे को लगता था यार ये ले लेते हैं because the quality of the fabric is very good. But when I saw the prices, they were shit expensive. So like I had to think twice or thrice before buying even a single item. But this time you won't believe, like I have bought a few products only, but everything is under ₹1,000. Like really, I was also awestruck. So yeah, without much ado, let's just hop into the video. So the first product is a top, and it's this basic white turtleneck sort of a top, and yeah, it has half sleeves and it fits you really well, and the fabric is cotton, so it's very soft and gentle on your skin. It's not harsh or anything of that sort. And yeah, I'm in the size S, and it retails for $990, and I got it for around 700 or 750 something. Like I don't remember the prices exactly, so I'll mention it somewhere here on the screen. So yeah, I love this t-shirt because it has a very good fabric and it fits you really well, and it's white, so it's very versatile. It could be paired up with various things, and I liked this. So moving forward with the next item, and it is also a top, and it is actually that I'm wearing right now. Like ये top भी exactly similar category से है, like the white one that I showed you previously, and it's just that it's in a different shade. Like it's a blend of purple and mauvish, like kind of a shade. I don't know how the camera is picking up the color, but yeah, it's a blend of purple and mauve sort of a shade. And yeah, currently I'm in love with pastels, like be it mauve color, be it blush blue, be it pink, be it mint green. And Uniqlo has a variety of all these shades, but I am really loving this shade. So yeah, this top is, I suppose, a bit similar to the Zara top that I bought a few months ago. Like I had done a haul also, and if you guys haven't checked that haul, so I'll link it above in the I button and also in the description bar below, so you guys can have a check. But talking about that top, so it was a cropped top and had a 3/4 sort of sleeve and had a ribbed vibe. And this, it's somewhat similar to the color tone, but it has almost a different vibe because it's half sleeved and has a turtleneck. So it's really comfortable, and this color will suit most of you. So yeah, moving forward with the next item, so it's a lilac colored jogger, as you guys can see. And yeah, it has two pockets, and I'm in the size S, and basically it retails for $1290. So yeah, I specifically got this jogger for its color. Like मैंने H&M and Zara पे भी देखे हैं ऐसे joggers, and I was like Uniqlo की तो quality अच्छी होती है, so this would also be good. But to my surprise, I didn't like its quality. Like you guys can see, it has this towel like material inside. So I don't know, I didn't like it. मैंने H&M के भी joggers try किए हुए हैं, and they are pretty thick, but this is somewhat transy, I must say. Like you can see in the video also if it's visible. So I'm not impressed with the quality of the fabric. So yeah, I'm planning to return this one. So moving forward with the next item, and it's yet again a top, and it's this olive green colored top. So iska basically jo fabric hai, it's like a knitted sort of a fabric with self checkered vibe, as you guys can see, and it has this cinched sort of sleeve ending. And yeah, I'm in the size S, and it retails for $1290. And yeah, it is a pretty thick fabric, and I like this one because it could be paired up with various things like culottes, trousers, denims, shorts. So yeah, it would be a really smart piece in your wardrobe, and yeah, I like this one.
So sorry, actually the clip got corrupted here. So talking about this top, this is basically a grey colored top. इसमें V sort of detailing है पीछे, तो ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है, and it's a bit different बाकियों से, and it retails for $1290. And if you tuck it in और वैसे अगर आप पहनो तो it will look really good.
forward with the last two items, and probably my most favorite among all the products in this haul. And yeah, these are this wide legged trousers. Like, this one is in the shade natural, and it's like a off white sort of color, creamish sort of color, and it is so amazing. So it has these pleats in front, and it has elastic which fits you really well on your waist. And yeah, I'm in the size S, and it retails for 1990. And guess what, I got it at a lightning deal. I suppose it's around 990. Yes, yeah, I got it for 990 only. So it's really rare that you get such an amazing quality trouser at such a price. And I am like, जैसे ही मैंने ये देखा, मैंने कहा नहीं नहीं, ये तो लेना है तुरंत ही तुरंत. And yeah, the next one is also the same trouser, but yet again in a different color. Like, this color is looking so good. It's like a blue color, and yeah, in the camera it's a bit light, but it's a blend of like blue with grayish. So that's what the color is in real. And yeah, it is also same, like it has two pockets, and there are pleats in front and elastic at the back that fits you really well. And I liked both of these. Like, it has such a good fabric and at an affordable price as well. So yeah, you guys can check this out, and it's like really good. So yeah, this is like one of my favorites from this haul, and you guys could also let me know in the comments down below that आपको कौन सा product सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद है. So yeah, that is it for this video. Hope you all liked this clothing haul, and if you did, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell notification so that you are notified whenever I post a new video. So yeah, until then, stay safe, be at your homes, and meet you in my next video.